Welcome back to Upcoming Bike USA, your go-to channel for all things futuristic, fast and fierce on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro. Buckle up, because what Chevy has in store for this year is nothing short of spectacular. Let's kick things off with the interior design. The 2025 Camaro isn't just about brute strength, it's a refined beast. Step inside and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that screams performance and luxury. Premium materials cover the dash, doors and seats, with available leather-trimmed sport buckets and contrast stitching that adds serious attitude. The infotainment system is anchored by a large touchscreen with Chevy's latest UI, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a customizable digital gauge cluster. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while available Recaro performance seats hold you tight during aggressive cornering. Now let's step outside and talk. Exterior design, and wow, does this Camaro make a statement? The 2025 redesign is aggressive, aerodynamic, and undeniably Camaro. The front fascia features sharper LED headlights, a larger blacked-out grille, and redesigned air intakes that look ready to inhale the road. The hood is sculpted with fresh power bulges, hinting at the beast underneath. Around the back, a new taillight signature and quad exhaust setup give it that unmistakable muscle car vibe. Choose from bold new color options, custom graphics, and stylish alloy wheels that range from 18 to 20 inches. This thing was born to turn heads. When it comes to safety, Chevy has loaded the 2025 Camaro with next-gen tech. Expect a full suite of driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera mirror. Whether you're carving canyons or cruising the freeway, the Camaro's high-strength frame and intelligent safety systems have your back. All right, let's talk performance. The heart of the Camaro legacy, the 2025 model continues to offer a range of powerhouse engines. From a turbocharged four-cylinder that delivers surprising punch, to a V6 for balanced power, all the way up to a roaring V8 in the SS trim, there's a Camaro for every thrill seeker. Rumors hint at a special Z28 edition coming soon, with track-focused upgrades and even more horsepower. Transmission options include a quick-shifting 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual for purists who still love to row their own gears. Add in magnetic ride control and Brembo brakes, and you've got a machine that can handle serious speed with grace. So, what's the overall verdict on the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro? It's bold, it's modern, and it's built to keep the muscle car legacy alive in a tech-driven world. With a refreshed design, cutting-edge features, and exhilarating performance, this Camaro isn't just a car, it's a statement. Whether you're a longtime fan or a new buyer ready to experience true American muscle, the 2025 Camaro deserves a spot on your radar. Thanks for watching Upcoming Bike USA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the hottest cars and bikes hitting the streets. Until next time, stay fast and stay fearless.